This is a Pro 10 vibration plate, and it's got an AC inverter, which we're going to call an MCB, but it's actually an AC system. So these are AC motors. And you can tell they're AC motors because if you look at the wires going into them, you can see there's 3 wires. There's a red, a black and a blue. So that means there's three windings in here, which means it can't be a DC because a DC only has 2. So it has to be AC. And also, if you look closely on the label, it does actually tell you as well, which is always handy. If I can get a view on that. So you can see, if I focus that a little bit, maybe, come on, focus. You can see there's an input of 1 phase there, so single phase, 220 volts going in, output 3 phase, so again 3 phase tells you it's AC, and it's 3 amps. So just to check that these motors are working, obviously when this is running, there's such a lot of vibration going on that you can't really put your hand on one motor and the other and tell for sure that they're running, because you could be feeling the vibration from the other. So what I would suggest is stick your current clamp on, put it onto AC, of course, put it over one of the windings, and you need to test each winding and start the machine up. So if you start the machine up, Johnny, for me, please. And we're measuring 0.5 amp on that particular winding, and if you move the current clamp and put it on any of the other windings on either motor, you should also measure about the same. But if you don't, then you'll have either a winding failed in one of the motors, which could give you an odd feeling on the machine. You might feel like maybe one of the motors isn't working, or one side's more aggressive than the other. Anyway, that's the way to test it.